Hi, class. Welcome to Week Five's podcast. There's a couple of places that I want to show you, so let's get started. First, I've moved announcements to the first tab and the first thing that pops open when you log into our class. So whenever you log in, check out announcements. I've added several that I hope are useful to you. So let's go on and get started with Module 2. We are moving right along with the definition essay. I want to point out that this Friday, Discussion Board 3 for Module 2 is due by 11:59. You know what to do. Go on and click on Create New Thread. Read the questions, and once you respond to 2 other classmates, you'll be good to go. There's also, I'm going to go to the definition essay folder, there's also a couple of exercises that I've placed in the folder. Definition exercise 1 and 2 are coming from the Successful College Composition ebook. And so go on and do both assignments. They are not for a grade, but they're going to help you to whiz along so that you can find your topic for the definition essay and start drafting, which, by the way, you should be doing this week. In week 5, you should be following our course calendar and working on your rough draft. Why? Because the rough draft, let's see if this is, yeah, there it is. The rough draft is due October 2nd. And why do we need a rough draft? Because remember, the writing process is pre-writing and then drafting. And this piece or part of the writing process will help you to flesh out your errors, to flesh out your ideas about definition. So not only do you need to find a term or a word or a phrase that you find interesting or personal to you, you need to be able to define it in your own words, right? So you will not only define it in your own words, but you'll get evidence or sources to back up your thesis, your claim. So, for example, if you look at the 2 choices, right? The first choice in topics asks you to compare and contrast 2 related terms. So, for example, let's say you want to use the word hustle or hard work. So I'm asking you to define these 2 words, right? And then use comparison and contrast to let us know, in a thesis statement, for example, many people believe, this or that about hustling or hard work, but I'm defining hustling as, I'm defining hard work as, and I'm saying that these 2 terms, these 2 words are similar, but they're different in, and you fill in the blank. So that would be topic 1, okay, topic choice 1. Topic choice 2 asks you to choose 1 controversial word or term and then explore a definition that you consider to encompass the word, but based on the context in which you're using it. So, for example, the word ghetto. We've all heard that word. Maybe you've used it. I know I have. But how did you use it? And in what context did you use it? So for topic 2, you're going to have to choose a word. Hopefully it's controversial. And then come up with your own definition, and then find evidence or support to back your definition or refute your definition. It's up to you. But know that you're going to have you're going to have 1 to 2 sources and this assignment does call for a works cited page, 3 to 4 pages in length, following MLA style, and 1 to 2 pages. 1 to 2 sources, and then using 2 in-text citations or direct quotes, right? Okay, and that final draft would be due October 9th, right, by 11:59. Okay, so let's go back to our folder. Remember that everything you need is in the definition essay folder. You have your assignment sheet and rubric, you have the student model of a definition essay, you have that handy and for free, might I add, Successful College Composition book, and basically a video or two. I just put 1 in for you guys, class, and then structure of the definition essay, writing a definition essay, super helpful, and then more sample definition essays are included for you. So you can look at the genre and some of the rhetorical strategies or modes that writers choose in writing this type of essay. So to wrap this up, remember that you should always read the announcements that I've placed in on our announcements page. Read the readings for this week and know that you have the discussion board 3 due for this week. As always, if you have any questions, please email me at angelamccovery@dccd.edu, or you can hit me up on Remind. Thanks so much. Take care.